Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. This package comes all the way from Panopolis, South Carolina from Mr. Jake Johnson. We fixing to see what he sent us. I certainly appreciate this, Jake, man. I really do. We fit to see what knives he sent us. Hey, Kevin, I hope you enjoy your knives. I would love to see you fix them up one day. Unfortunately, I do not have the tools to do it myself. Just for a little bit of background, the Hawkbill knife belonged to my grandfather. He was an Air Force electrician for 32 years and used them to strip insulation from wires. The bullet two-blade knife was my father's. He bought it back in the 80s and has had it since. The little keychain knife was my grandmother's. She worked for the school district for a while. I'm not sure how long exactly, and retired in 2007. The rest of the knives were mine. I was carrying them, but they broke. Also, keep up the good work with your YouTube channel. I really enjoy your videos. You have inspired me to start collecting Zippos along with other types of vintage kerosene lighters. Best regards, Jake Johnson. Jake, buddy, I appreciate this so much. I really do, buddy. Again, I'm humbled to the fact that you would give me your grandfather's and father's knife, man, to redo, or I don't know what kind of shape they're in, but I will cherish them forever, buddy. I appreciate it so much. I really do. All right. This was his grandmother's knife. It's a little, almost similar to the SD Classic, but it's a China-made knife. Looks like it's pretty well made, though. It's got a flat tip screwdriver, main blade, and scissors. Well, thank you, Jake. Appreciate that, buddy. This right here is a little pick made in Japan. Seems like it's in pretty good shape. It just needs to be cleaned up. It's one of the miniature camping knives from Japan. It's pretty cool. Looks like it's pretty well made. It's dull. It just needs to be cleaned up. Never seen one of these before. It's pretty cool. Springs are in good shape. That one didn't have no snap. Main blade don't have no snap. That's pretty cool, Jake. I appreciate you sending me this, but I've never seen one of these before. I've seen the bigger ones, but I've never seen the smaller ones. Got two little blades back here. I didn't see them. This thing has a bunch of stuff. Right there's a little punch blade. Right here looks like a fingernail file. Yeah. Appreciate that, Jake. This here is a Schrade Walden with a broke spring. Looks like it's been given a vinegar bath or some type of bath. But you can see it's a Schrade Walden. This blade's in good shape and really sharp. Good snap too. I don't know if I got a spring for that or not, but I'll be on the lookout for one, Jake. Appreciate this, man. Now this right here belonged to his granddad. It's a Cut Master. And that spring is very strong. Lock blade too, I like that. He said his grandfather used this. He was an electrician in the Air Force for 32 years. Used to skin wires. Got the insulation off of them. It needs to be sharpened. But the blade's in good shape. It just needs to be cleaned up. Nice. Appreciate this, Jake. This one here belonged to his dad. It's a two-blade bullet knife. Got broke spring on this main blade. Small blade's in good shape. And it's got a strong spring. This looks like it's been given a bath too, I think. Well, it was mostly sunny, 67 degrees, wind northeast at 3 miles an hour. It's Pakistan. Well, Jake, I appreciate you sending me these knives, man. I'll be on the lookout for a spring on this one here. I'll throw this in the parts bin. And I'll clean this one up. I sure will. I'll clean this one up as well. But I'll be on the lookout for a spring on this one. I appreciate it, Jake. I really do, buddy. Mr. Jake Johnson sent that all the way from Panopolis, South Carolina, right above Monk's Corner. It's 310 miles away. Right in there, right above Monk's Corner. And we thank you, Jake. Appreciate this, man. Okay, Jake sent those knives from Panopolis, South Carolina, 310 miles away. I just want to thank you, buddy. I appreciate it, Jake. Again, guys, I'm just in awe that y'all send me knives and gifts. Thank y'all very much. And Jake, I'm gonna be cleaning up that Halt bill very soon, man. Just want to say thank you again, buddy. I really appreciate it. And I just want to say thank all y'all for tuning in today. I just want to thank all y'all who tuned in last night. We had fun. Had a great time giving that stuff away, and when we reach 10,000 subscribers, I'll be giving some more stuff away. I just want to say God bless y'all, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.